Hey, what's up, Strad fam? Welcome back. As you guys have seen the previous photo, and you guys must be wondering, where is Stradman going? Is it Aventador version 2.0 time? So sit back and relax. It has been 3 days since Stradman posted his last video. And where is the Aventador heading to? As Stradman mentioned in his previous video, the Aventador is going to get a makeover. So here is the photo. Stradman is heading to SEMA. And you may see a vlog from Stradman soon. Thanks for watching.
Yesterday we were driving the pink Lamborghini Espada. Today we're in the 40th anniversary Murcielago. Utah is just flexing so hard right now. What? Look at that, look at that.